In this video, I'll show you how to use the Exa Search tool and how to build an agent that's capable of searching up content on the internet to enrich its responses. What does it look like in use? Here we have a very simple agent that's a web researcher, and we've assigned it the tool Exa Search. This instruction for the task is simply to respond after using the web search tool to enrich the response. So to test it out, you can ask it to cite all sources. We could say, tell me about atmospheric rivers. Cite your sources. So here it's actually brought in the links that it's basing its information on. And so this just helps reduce hallucination. It allows the agent to access up-to-date information, and you can use an agent like this for a number of different tasks, whether it's programming or simply retrieval augmented generation for Q&A, for example. The tool structure is relatively simple. It has a number of inputs. For example, the queries to search. That can be a list of queries, so you can process multiple searches at once. You can specify the number of results that go into it, so how many URLs to return. You can specify search type, so it does neural search much faster than it does keyword search, but keyword search can be a little bit richer of a response. And then you can select how many highlights do you want per URL and how many sentences to include in each highlight. And that controls the amount of data you get back. Sometimes you want to be searching just for URLs, and other times you actually want to be retrieving content. So the way that the tool works is it takes those pieces of information into a payload to call the API. If it comes back successfully, we'll have a structured response with the number of queries and the URLs, author, and highlights from each query. With all tools, you're going to want to make sure that if you do customize Exa Search, make sure to update the docstring, because the docstring is essentially the source of truth on how to use the tool for the LLMs.